This is just part 1 of Tesla's solution to cleaning cybercabs in the wild, once they are released of course. Expect dedicated areas where these autonomous robotaxis gather over their inductive charging pads and perhaps pass through typical automated car washes before being treated to a tickle from this fella. I've been excitedly waiting for this full video of the internal cleaner ever since being teased a very short clip of it at the We Robot event when Cybercab was unveiled. And as usual, this one little clip from Tesla opens up many other questions and allows me to speculate like the curious child I am about things like this. How does it know there's a bag bin left there? Or where to aim its sucker to pick up those disgracefully left crumbs by some monster of a human? Well, let's start with the internal camera, which will be able to scan and decipher abandoned or lost items. Suck 'em up, Buttercup! Pop the bag in the lost property area while everything else goes in the bin. Notice that the single bench here has fewer crevices than a pair of single seats. That's deliberate, of course, to keep the cleaning as simple as can be. Just pop on the next attachment and hoover the big, blank, easy to get to footwell. Quick spit and polish on the screen and it's good to go again. But do you remember a video I did a few months back when I took a look at Tesla's patent-pending ideas of, quite frankly, genius ideas of how to clean and sanitize the internal space with things like these? It starts with environmental detection through various sensors, detecting temperature, humidity, presence of pathogens, etc. Next, it would choose a customized sanitation routine based on detected environmental conditions. But here's the genius bit. The various sanitation methods would include utilising HVAC systems as the heating and cooling of the cabin, or perhaps something as simple as just opening the window to let some stink out, plus UV lighting, which we know is a disinfectant. UV lighting disinfects by damaging the DNA of microorganisms, preventing them from reproducing or functioning. That would be useful for cleaning people's uncaught sneezes, for example. That's the nicest example I could think of. And even steam generators are mentioned in this document. Imagine a blast from steam shooting onto every surface and then receiving a blow dry from the vents. That's the level of detail as described in this patent document that SETI Park shared on X. If you missed my video about that where I go a bit more in depth and talk about self-cleaning robotaxis, click the card in the corner and watch that now. It's mind-blowing to hear Tesla's detailed solution of cleaning cybercabs. But annoyingly, when I had the chance to see up close the Cybercab in London, I forgot to look for certain details that would hint of some of these sanitation solutions. Things like figures 9A to 9C show a method of tilting the vehicle's central display at various angles to reflect sanitising light onto various surfaces inside the vehicle. This can maximise the effect of sanitising light. And I love this next one. Figures 7A to 7C here show methods for thermal management and sanitation of touchscreens and other contact surfaces inside the vehicle. By using active heating elements and passive materials, alone or in combination, frequently touched surfaces like touchscreens can be effectively heated and sanitised. This can be important for hygiene management of major contact points such as the vehicle's central display. I mean, infrared cleaning sensors. Who thinks of this but Tesla or Wallace and Gromit? It's genius. Even seatbelts are a consideration for cleaning. Figures 6A to 6B explain the process of automatically extending the seatbelt for sanitation. This allows effective management of parts that are usually hidden and difficult to sanitize. Now, of course, the Cybercabs on display today are not the final product. They might well add some of these extras like steam sprayers, automatic tilting screens that detect light, and seatbelt extenders for easy cleaning access. But why bother going to all this trouble? Why not just hire a car wash attendant to do the job, or even more in line with Tesla, a few Optimus robots in the not too distant future? Well, best guess from me would be that the scale that Tesla Cybercabs could reach, the abandonment of the car ownership model, the no-brainer for younger folks who might just prefer summoning a very affordable, safe and private entertainment pod to their door rather than embarking on the crazy cost of vehicle ownership, the driving lessons, buying a car, tax, insurance, fuel, parking, tickets, maintenance, accidents and repairs. Autonomous robotaxis like these Cybercabs do have the potential to reach a new, enormous global market. The more automated Tesla makes the cleaning and charging process, the easier the rollout on a global scale will be someday. The best part is no part, the best process is no process. That would include the removal of any intervention, be that human or otherwise. But before we part once more, let me show you Tesla's full video with audio as a reminder that it really is important to not take yourself too seriously. Even a Hoover can have a sense of humour.
I wake, I clean, I live. They leave gifts for me, so kind. They feed me like a king, but I don't do it for accolades. My work is my sustenance, soaking up every last crumb in every last crevice. Potato chips. Like our own little game of hide and seek. Found you. It's a simple life, but as the sun is to a flower, vital. Until next time, my old friend.
Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and do check out this video next for a more thorough look into self-cleaning robotaxis. Or how about checking out some very nicely modified Teslas at this EV meetup I've just been to. I'm Will, this is the Tesla Jigsaw. Thank you Patreons, thank you for watching. Bye for now.